Today, our superstar contestant has his work cut out for him. His bots have been scattered throughout the prison under heavy guard. To escape, Ratchet will need to free each of the captives, then fight his way through an army of killer robots.
Hurry, Ratchet. They've confined your combat bots in separate blocks of the prison. Make your way to Alpha Block to release your first bot.
Not bad. Ratchet has freed the first bot and he's on his way to Beta Block.
We need an EMP to take down the shock field on that floor.
Ratchet, be careful. Those Dread Zone shock orbs are lethal. Use an EMP to deactivate them.
One thing about Ratchet, you give him any lip and he'll feed you a lead sandwich. You better believe that, Juanita. Ratchet must capture all 3 control nodes in the prison yard to unlock the portal to Beta Block.
Boss, you want to find the nodes, use your map.
Comes out of the gate hard and fast, seizing the first node in record time. He's got 2 more to go. Just one node remaining, and Ratchet shows no signs of slowing down. This guy is a walking highlight reel.
I need a medic! Yeah, well, thanks. I try not to get hit either.
One of his bots just went down. Oh, too bad it was the cute one, too.
This is what they mean by gratuitous violence, Juanita. I'm gonna call my kids and tell them to stop watching just as soon as I have kids. The atmosphere is tense as Team Darkstar makes their way through Delta Block.
Now pay attention. This time.
This little runt already?
Have you ever wondered what's in the special sauce?
We need to take down that shot. EMP should do the trick.
What do you think, Juanita? Does Ratchet have what it takes to make it through Delta Block and rescue that last combat bot?
The question is, could he do it with a King Amoeboid eating its way out of his underwear? I think we'd all like to find out.
Ratchet, I have spliced through communications. I will be...
Don't forget to order the Dread Zone home game. Wow, he's freed the second bot.
Thank you, sir! I'd kiss you, but I don't have lips!
Ratchet's got this match on ice, ladies and gentlemen. The juice is cold, and the generic Brand X gelatin is definitely jiggling.
Ah! Soldiers, commence fire!
Totally blown away. That was, without a doubt, one of the greatest performances in the history of Dread Zone. With a grueling test of reflexes and nerve. Ratchet has two alternatives in this lethal desert race. He can drive through each checkpoint under the time limit, or he can end up splattered across this hellish wasteland like a carton of Lombax yogurt. Get ready for a no-holds-barred land-stalker death duel. Don't forget, Ratchet will have to keep an eye out for bonus targets that can boost his score.